Look at that. It's like all down below, and down there are the people that are walking back up. I don't think I could walk all the way back up. It's too much. And in front of me is Helen and Amara. And this is where we're going to be going back. You know, if I put my hand out, I can literally touch these branches. It's really nice. It is a place worth visiting. I'd recommend it. And there's stuff there for adults and kids to do. And we've only been here a couple of hours. But it's a good place for people if they want to go climbing or hiking or even cycling. Lovely. MashaAllah.